Alright, after install and register the Photon network and Photon account in our highlight server settings, it's time to add a package to be able to encode and decode our video to the bytes. We can implement these methods and these solutions, but I prefer to use a package which has these solutions ready for us. It's called FMETP stream. It is for live stream between different platforms, Android, tablet, iOS, Mac, Windows, and Oculus Quest, and other platforms, but in local system, not in multiplayer. In local multiplayer, I means offline, such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, something like that. But it doesn't work for online multiplayer, cloud server, and Photon network system. But the good thing is this package has a very powerful system for decode and encode the video to the bytes. So we need to buy it and install on our project. Then after do that, we can come here, FM exhibition tool pack, FM core, in folder scenes, networking, and in here demo FM networks streaming. In here we can click on this one, demo FM network streaming, and also the main cam. For example, this one, the main cam. As you can see, it has some parts in here. For example, if we click on main camera, it has a system. It's called game view encoder. It will get all the view of any screen of this main camera and try to encode it to the bytes. And if we want to use this package without the Photon network, you need to connect it with the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and other users can see it, as you can see in the video of their project. As you can see, he used a Unity editor and his phone, but for us we have to use only the encoder and game view decoder of this package, not the networking system of this package. We want to encode our main camera views to the bytes, then send it to the other users by Photon system, and other users will achieve the bytes from the Photon and decode to the video or image by this game view decoder. Okay, let's go to the next step and try to use this package.